Introducing the Employee Maintenance TekApp by TekChoice. Effortlessly manage employee account access and designations directly within Symitar, eliminating manual entry and ensuring real-time updates. Start by launching the Employee Maintenance TekApp. First, select the employee name, then choose the account maintenance type, either add employee restriction or remove employee restriction. On the next screen, choose an option under Update Account Type to, then select the appropriate setting under Update Restricted Access to. Once both options are set, click Next. And that's it. The employee's account updates instantly, clears or adds any applicable warnings, and a note is automatically added for tracking. Whether you're adding restrictions to secure accounts or removing them to restore access, the changes are applied in real time and reflected across all connected accounts. TekChoice TekApps are customizable to meet the unique needs of your credit union. For more information or to schedule a demo, please visit our website or contact us. We're looking forward to speaking with you.